Good luck, Miss Jo. You got this.
Amen.
Let's go for it. Pass. Second time for 2026. Thank you. Hey, congratulations! Woohoo! Finally. Ah, well deserved. Let's go get your license.
Thank you, Kuya.
My pleasure. Let's go get your license. This is how you celebrate your second pass of the year.
Pwede pala dyan ngayon. Muna.
Hindi mo gagawin sa exam ito.
Bakit parang, ay,
Pa-
ba't parang
paakyat
hindi
siya. Ito, pag nakatapat na yung side mirror nung dito doon, ikot na yun towards the left.
Saan ba ako exit? Dito ba, Kuya?
Oo, pero left ka muna. Sige, towards the left ka muna. All the way muna yan. Tapos tingin ka dito. Sige lang. Keep going. It's okay. Put gas. Kasi uphill yan. Pababa. Pataas. Yan, dyan kayo dito. Okay. Let's go. Kaya mo to. Don't overthink. Basta bantayan mo yung mga intersections mo. Let's go left turn. Go to the middle lane, please. Yung mga stop signs mo dito sa loob, hihintoan mo pa rin. Yan o. Isa yan ano. Tapos pag kanan mo, meron pa. Yun o. Yun doon.
Okay.
Isa yan. Tapos pag kanan mo, may isa pa. Before
Diretso
ka,
ka, Kuya.
before ka mag-park. Let's go make a left turn, please. Make a left turn. Laging control your speed.
Hindi na ako mag-ano dito sa speed.
Let's go straight, please. Okay, stop sign, right turn, please. Come on, dyan siya ulit to. Stop
Kuya,
sign,
nakakasira ng buhay
right
ko.
turn. Bawal dapat yun. So, nauna yellow. That's ano, far hiking. Yan, ganyan. Basta mag-stop ka lang, and then you look. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Then you add. Before siya mag-straight, babalik mo na siya. Yan, para hindi ka mag-oversteer. Stop sign, left turn, please. Keep looking. Tapos look at your position. Dapat driving lane, hindi siya parking lane. Okay, please pull into the curb. Tignan mo yung asphalt mo. Dapat dikit ka kay asphalt. Let's go back up, please. Tandaan mo si 11, 12, and 1. Stop the car, please. Very good. Please pull out of the curb. Okay, ito tandaan mo ah. If pina-left ka dyan, that's 2 stops.
Okay.
Let's go straight. Pupunta tayo dun sa commonly used route. Yun lang. Let's go left. Turn, please. Yeah. When you turn, go to the correct lane pa rin. Ang guide mo yung blue. Yun lang. Correct speed pa rin. 10, 15. Kaya mo na to. Itong parking na to. Hindi na tayo practice. Okay, stop sign. Let's go left. Turn, please. Let's go make a left. Turn. Yan.
Malapit na siya.
Para walang silaw. Okay, let's go make a left turn, please. Okay, ano yung rules mo dito? If someone's going straight and right, who goes
They go
first?
first. Since walang pupunta ako.
Put on brakes para control. And then check your lane. Good. Let's go straight. Stop sign, let's go straight. Let's go straight, please. Going straight all the way up, please. Be aware kung hindi sila hihinto sa'yo. Dapat before the intersection ka hinto. Not allowed to stay on top of the intersection, crosswalk, bike lane, keep clear. Let's go make a right turn, please. Let's go straight, please. Go straight, please. Please keep right. The traffic light, let's go make a right turn. Let's go make a right turn. Please change lane to the left. Please change lane to the right.
Oh, not here. Sorry, kuya.
It's
Pwede
okay.
ba doon?
It's okay.
Bawal, diba?
Oo. So, bahala na sa examiner mo if they give you 1 point deduction. 1 point deduction. Let's go straight, please. dito, mind your speed. Anong speed limit mo dito?
25 to 30.
Double check.
20.
20 ka na. Pause. Double check your lane.
Dapat
Lane
pala.
position. We go straight, please. One car. Don't forget your one car. Traffic light, let's go make a right turn. Let's go make a right turn. At the traffic light, let's go make a right turn. Let's go make a right. Correct lanes ha, -1 na siya. Change lane to the left. -1 yan kasi lane use. Pag nagkamali ka doon, bagsak yun. Huwag ka mag-left turn doon ha.
Muntik nga, sabi ko, ay pa, bakit
Tinitignan
dito
ko
mo?
yung ano.
Ano ba yun? Bakit ka
Tinitignan ko.
putulog dyan?
Good
That was
point.
too much.
Let's go inside the MV, please. Yan, bantayan mo yung mga yan kasi shared lane yung side. Let's go inside the MV, please. Oh, wag mong sundan yan. That's not proper.
Kazan kuya, damay mo pa ako.
Oo, bagsak yan.
Ay, kasi ito pala. Sorry.
You cannot move. Bagsak yun. Don't forget. Kasi right of way. Let's go make a right. Go to the left lane, please. Go to the left lane. Right turn, left lane. Okay, let's go make a left. Bawal ka nang dumiretso against the arrow. Up. Too fast. Too fast yun. Too fast yun. Saka too sharp. Dapat magna 90 degrees ka doon. Gigitnain mo siya. Pag na-reach mo yung gitna, saka ka mag-turn. No? Huwag ka magmamadali doon kasi sumasabit pa rin sila doon. Let's go right turn. Ito, critical part pa rin to ng exam mo. Ayan o, too close ka o. Tingnan mo o. Too close. Patamaan mo yan. Patamaan mo yan. That's too close. Oh, ganyan lang. Oh. Okay, let's go. Make a right. Make a right tayo dito. Oh, sandali lang. Tignan mo ah. Huwag ka muna matuturn. Itatapat mo yung side mirror mo sa curb.
Okay.
Sige, go straight muna. Let's go make a right. Tapat. Yan. Turn. Sige, turn. Yan. Hindi ka
Okay.
pwedeng mag-go sharp or else sasayad ka talaga. Stop sign, right turn. Sige lang, just for you to get... Oh, you have to go to the correct lane. Dalawang
Kala ko
lane
share.
yan.
Right lane kuya. Ay, right.
Let's go make a right. Look at your curb ulit. Tapat mo muna and then you go. Turn. Hindi ka sasabit niyan. Oh, diba? Again, let's go make a right turn. Bigyan mo
Here?
yung... Yeah, let's go make a right.
Go
Sige,
ahead.
paunahin mo lang siya. Basta, look at your curves and side mirror. Oo. Tignan mo muna, hindi ka pa lumampas.
Hindi ko nakikita.
Hindi ka pa naka, ayun o, yun yung curve niyang gano'n. Sige lang. Sige lang. Sharp yun. Basta lampasan mo lang ng konti. Sige, you can do it now. Basta lampasan mo lang siya ng konti. Huwag mo siyang itatapat as in tapat na tapat. Lampasan mo ng konti. Siguro mga half foot. Mga ganun. Lampasan mo lang.
So, dito.
Let's go make a right. Yeah, kanina, didikit ka na kanina eh. Tignan mo lang, oh, kita mo yung side mirror and the curve. Hindi. Huwag kang tatapat agad sa curve. Kasi may line pa yan eh. So, ibig sabihin,
kailangan
lalampasan mo yung line. Oo, let's go make a right. Mag-stop ka muna. And then, tapatan mo yung curve.
Okay.
Huwag kang tatapat sa curve agad-agad or else lampasan mo yung line.
Okay.
Isa pa, let's go make a left turn. Okay na yan. Oh, may stop sign ka dyan ha. Don't forget. Yung mga yan, accounted for pa rin yan. Meaning, pag hindi ka nag-stop dun, ibabagsak ka pa rin yun. Let's go make a right turn. Marami na akong estudyanteng ganyan. 3. Sabi niya, Joe, I can't do anything. Sabi ni examiner. Oh, that's too far out. Too far out. Huwag mong kukunin agad yung visual.
Okay.
Basta huminto ka lang sa proper mo. Pati si examiner mo, alam niya yan na blindsided. Blind spot ka.
Bakit hindi nila pinapaalis yan?
Correct. Huwag mong kukunin agad yun kasi pag may dumating, mas lalong mas lalong delikado. Laki ng liit ng mama mo. Kita mo? Malaki pa sa ulo.
Grabe ka naman, kuya.
Parang itlog. Mas malaki pa yung dito kaysa sa dulo. Let's go make a left turn. Yan. Tingnan mo yung lines mo. If you hit lines, yan o. If you hit lines, -1 yun. Sarap kasi pagkain dito sa atin. Let's go make a right turn. Pag hindi ka nagpigil, talagang lalaki ka.
Mapapaano ka talaga dito.
Let's go make a right. Pag pumunta ka dito, walang diabetes. After a couple of years, meron na. Oh, proper execution, don't forget. Exam yan, kaya proper lahat. Keep looking. Punta tayo sa route ni Rich. Stop sign, right turn, please. Stop sign, right turn, please. Ganda na yung driving natin. Basta yung curbs mo, iwasan mo yung lampasan mo muna yung side mirror mo, ilampas mo muna ng konti. Huwag kang mag-turn agad-agad kasi yung likod na gulong mo ang sasabit. Good luck, Miss Jo! You got this.
Amen.
Let's go for it. Fast. Second time for 2026. Thank you. Hey, congratulations! Woohoo! Finally. Well deserved. Let's go get your license.
Thank you, kuya.
My pleasure. Let's go get your license. This is how you celebrate your second pass of the year.